Getting spammed or bothered by someone on Telegram, you don't actually have to deal with it because there's a simple way to block them. But most people don't use it properly or they don't know where is it. In today's video, I'll show you how to block users on Telegram in just seconds. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. There are 3 ways to block someone on Telegram. The first way is via chat. So go to the chat message with that person. Then tap on the name on the top. Tap on More. Tap on Block User. The second way is via contacts. On the bottom left, tap on Contacts. Search for the person's name or you can scroll to find the user. Then tap on the name at the top, tap on More, then tap on Block User. The last way is to tap on Settings on the bottom. Go to Privacy and Security. Tap on Block Users. Tap on Block User. You can scroll and tap on the person or you can search for the person's name and add them to the blocked list. To remove someone from the blocked list, simply tap on Edit, tap on the minus red sign here, and then tap on Unblock. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.